Well, hello everybody. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. So, we have some snow coming. What does that mean? Summer tires off, winter tires, or snow tires on. So now, tire change montage. I got the snow tires on, thankfully. Let me step off to the side here. Still snowing so heavily right now. And this is going to continue through the next few hours. As of this recording, it's 7:30. So we're going to be seeing the snow, especially in the Hudson Valley, where I am, continue for the next hour or two, maybe 9 o'clock. The biggest difference from what I was saying yesterday to or even Tuesday until now, the freeze line. That freeze line has stayed much further south than what we were anticipating. And that's causing a lot more snow than we thought. So just before, up on the balcony I had, I measured 5.5 inches. That was about an hour ago. So we're probably getting, based on radar, maybe an inch an hour. So that could be 6.5 inches right now. Quite a bit of snow for the week before Thanksgiving. We're not even into winter yet, and we're dealing with this. So what are we going to expect for the rest of the night? Well, it's going to be a very, very specific type of forecast depending on exactly where you are. So if you're around the New York City area, by the time this uploads, you actually might be starting to see that changeover to a little bit of some sleet. Once you get to the Jersey Shore, it's pretty much been rain, but once you get maybe like Tom's River, that's kind of where we were seeing. Wow, it looked like a ice pellet just bounced off the camera. Good thing this new camera is weatherproof. But anyway, so mostly on the Jersey Shore, it stayed rain, maybe a little bit of a sleety mix, but that was really about it. Once you get inland, that's where it really started to snow. And I would love to hear from you guys what kind of snow totals you got. If you want, you could leave the snow totals in the comments below. And I'd love to just know throughout the Northeast what kind of snow totals we have. I know I have some regular viewers from Boston, Albany, even Pennsylvania. So I'd love to hear from you guys. But overall, through the rest of the night, by about midnight, this is where I would expect almost everybody to be changed over until at least a freezing rain or sleet kind of mix. Now, the higher elevations, specifically Sullivan, Ulster, maybe even Sussex County, that's where you could actually still hold on to a little bit of some sleeting mix, a sleeting, freezing rain mix until the morning. Because it looks like the storm will actually be backing up a little bit as it's starting to exit. And when it's doing that, what's happening is it's actually going to be, with the colder air in the morning, maybe giving a little bit more snow for the Hudson Valley. Maybe unfortunate, unless you like snow. We may be seeing out of this some 2-hour delays, if not just snow days. So definitely keep an eye on your schools for specifics on delays or closings. I'm going to get inside now because it's cold and it's snowy and the microphone has a nice little snow coating on top of that. But that wraps up this video. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. Please stay safe throughout the rest of the night with this horrible driving conditions. If you're inside, definitely stay inside until tomorrow afternoon with much more sun.